A huge thanks to Dashlane for sponsoring this video.
We will choose one lucky winner and give him this board. I want him to do something that's gonna challenge him, take his skating to the next level. Yeah, right here he goes. Oh my God! What? All right, guys, we're very excited to be here today at the incredible Fremont Spa, Bath and Spa, Bed Bath & Beyond. And today we're going to do a video. You might have heard of it before. It's called The Worst Board at the Park, where we go around and we see who has the worst board and we make kids do tricks. I don't know if anybody has a bad board today, but they're gonna do some tricks, that's for sure. And we will choose one lucky winner and give him this board. Full kickflip. All right, let's go.
So I recently found an app called Dashlane, and it is a really awesome way of protecting your personal information and your passwords online. So I have a question for you guys. How many mobile accounts do you think you have online? I think I probably have anywhere from like 100 to 500 accounts that I have to keep my passwords for. Honestly, I don't have a way to remember all of those passwords. And that's where Dashlane comes in. Dashlane is the perfect way to memorize and store all of your passwords so you never have to enter another password again. On top of all of the great password storage, Dashlane also includes a VPN, and it keeps all of your private information safe and secure. And it's a lot cheaper than other ones that you'd have to subscribe to. If you guys want to check out Dashlane for yourself, go to www.dashlane.com/Braille for a free trial of Dashlane Premium for 30 days. Go check it out now. The link will be right down there in the description below.
That was really actually quite relaxing. Put 10 years on my life. And we actually even have grip tape today. You wanna do a trick?
I just need a regular skateboard.
Anything, literally. Oh, you're not on that. You can't ride that? Here you go. Ride that. This is the best board at the park.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do just straight up a trick right here?
I can do this.
Boom! First try?
First try.
Okay, you wanna come with us?
Sure.
All right, come on.
I don't have a board.
Oh no, we need to all sit down the board.
I'm still in Troy's.
All right, you wanna do a trick? Any trick. Anything.
Just started.
How about we roll down this bank?
Yeah.
Okay, got your back. Oh, first try! These kids are born naturals. You got a trick for us?
I landed a kickflip for my first time yesterday.
Whoa, amazing! Can you do it again?
Probably not.
Let me see this board. Inspections. Pretty good, pretty solid. Shove it, 180, anything.
I want to try to land another kickflip.
Land another kickflip. In the crack even? If you land this kickflip right here, I'll give you this board. Oh, you're really close. Do anything, anything, anywhere. The world is your oyster.
Front side 180.
Hit it. Woo! You got it, rebate. Yes! Boom! Let's go! Who's next? You got a trick? What do you got?
Wait, does it have to be street or can it be mini?
It could be mini bowl, could be big bowl, could be medium-sized bowl, could be bowl of Wheaties, could be bowl of cereal. Well, what are you gonna do? Hold on. This kid has Iron Man grip tape. Stand back, everybody. Woo!
Yeah.
Who's next? You got a trick?
Boneless 180 to fakie.
I don't even know how you do a boneless 180 to fakie, but we're gonna find out. Oh, you got that? Here, we'll go over there.
Yeah,
we'll go over there. Oh! So good. Why you guys are not clapping? Who's next? You wanna go?
Go, Kenneth, go down the bowl.
What do you got? Anything. Any trick.
Ollie.
Do an ollie. Oh! Okay, rebate. Oh! Man down. You okay, little buddy? You got this right here. You can go a little bit less fast if you want to, or faster if you want to. It's up to you, you know? The world is your oyster. Oh! You gotta get this, dude. Whoa. Let's go. Yes. Right here for a sticker.
Come on, Kenneth, for a sticker.
Oh my gosh! Give it up, you guys! Give it up for him! That is an unbelievable feat of fearlessness. What do you got?
I have to do a half cab and then ollie.
And then an ollie?
Yeah.
What are you, crazy?
That's all I got.
You killed it! Let's give it up for him, everybody! You guys are not making enough noise out there. Okay, who's next? Any trick, anything you want. Fakie shove, let's go. Good luck, Charm. Oh my gosh, first try. Oh, he totally missed. Yes, you nailed it. Let me see your board, sir.
That's pretty good.
It is so good, but
Yeah.
what size is that?
875.
875? I didn't even know they made such a size. Do a trick, any trick. Oh! Give it up for him! That's all you guys got? Gosh, they're like so quiet. Anybody want to do a trick?
I'll give you a high five.
Could be anybody. Anybody want to do a trick?
Do a trick?
Any trick at all.
Any
Anything.
trick at all?
What in the world? Let's give it up for him, everybody. All right, who's next? Could be anyone. Wait a sec. Look at this board. Flight deck? That's a flight deck. Oh my gosh! First try! Woo! Who's next? You want to go? Let's go, Dragon Ball. Oh! First try? What, are you crazy? You're gonna go? What you do? No, be careful, dude. I did not see that. I got like a whole squad following me. Form a line, guys. Come on. Everybody behind me, and we're gonna make a massive line.
This sounds scary.
Yeah, it's real scary. We're gonna ride down this, up that, and we're gonna circle around the whole park.
Okay.
Everybody gotta stay in line. This is all we got. We lost 30 people just getting up here. Everybody in the position they wanna be in?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
First try. Look at him. Whoa. Get in there, Nigel. Come on.
Doing the Macarena.
Yeah, sure.
What do you got?
I don't know what do you want. Like hip tricks. I'll kick with that real quick then.
Kickflip where?
The kicker to flat.
Kicker to flat? First try?
Yeah.
I just, yeah.
I did yesterday first try. So.
Okay, let's go, Red Curb.
Wish I had the
Right here he goes. Oh my God! What? First try! What else you got?
I do some tricks on the hip.
Okay, tricks on the hip. I'll do some tricks too on the hip. He does like a perfect back heel and I do the world's worst kickflip. Okay, we got a trick. Well, after Nigel. Oh my God. There he is. Maybe ollie over the rock gap.
Okay.
You want to try that? I think we found the worst board. Wow, this is really hot. This one?
Oh, that one?
What were you thinking?
I thought it was that thing.
That's way harder.
Alright, it is?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can ollie that.
Wait, what were you thinking?
I thought I was going to do the ramp.
Ramp to flat?
No, to the other ramp.
Well, that's way harder.
It is.
Oh my gosh, yes. This is easiest. But hold on, let me see. See, I think that this is the worst board. After inspecting them, it's razor tail right there. It's about like, probably like half the tail. That might be why it's harder to ollie. Maybe you should go from this side. Go get some speed and ollie and I'll see if you can do that. I want him to do something that's gonna challenge him, take his skating to the next level. You totally got that. Is this scary?
Yeah, and I can't ollie too well.
Give me an ollie. Yeah. You can ride off the drop if you want, but you gotta land it. His friends are really challenging him now. They're telling him to do the 5. He's like, I can't really ollie. Well, let me do the 5. I mean, I don't know how you land that. Oh no. Are you okay?
Yeah, I can't land it. Yeah.
That's too hard on the grass.
Try dropping in here.
No.
You drop in here.
No way! Are you serious? No way! Don't do that! No! No! No way! No! Oh. The board is yours! No!
Never do that in a million
This is
years.
the scariest thing I've ever seen. Oh, you did great. I got you, brother. All right.
Oh, yes, thank you.
You're welcome. That was amazing. Let me give you a grip tape. Come on. There you go, bud.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Keep skating. You killed it. Thank you, guys. Everybody gets a sticker.
Sticker!
They like nothing until I mentioned sticker. They loved it.
Get one of those round ones. Boom.
All right, now we're gonna do a quick outro.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to skateboard, right?
Yeah.
It's time.
You get stickers.